Adrian writes, that hipster pissed me off. I guess my 2-year-old sister plays guitar better than... No, that's the wrong one, I'm sorry. Zulu writes, always funny, shaking the neck. No effect. Not even the fart of an effect. Okay, recently I've seen a sudden increase in comments about me shaking the guitar at the end of a song or whenever a chord is ringing. And there seems to be a big mystery about the reasons I'm doing it. Is it because it looks cool? Or because I'm too bored to let the guitar sound decay naturally? Do I have ADD? Or do I shake it to keep time, like nodding my head to the beat? Actually, it's none of those. Because the truth behind the shaking lies in what it does with the sound of the guitar. And I don't even know if I would call it shaking, because what I'm actually doing can better be described as pulling and pushing. But that part is a bit hidden in the process, so I totally get the confusion. So here's a guitar. It's a pretty guitar, but nothing special about it. It's in drop D tuning. Oh yeah, thank you. It is in drop D tuning. If I strum the strings and sit still, so do absolutely nothing at all, we hear the sound decay very naturally. Exactly what you would expect, right? That is indeed what I expected. This is boring. No, wait, I'm getting to the point. Don't click away now. Okay, do continue. Okay, thank you. So now I'm strumming the strings. But let's add a gentle shake to it. Whoa! Whoa! Did you hear it? Yeah, absolutely. What's that? This, my friend, is called vibrato. And as you can see, you can add it by just shaking the guitar. Yes, but no. As I said, I'm not just shaking the guitar. Let me give you a detailed description of what I'm doing. When I strum the chord, I hold the body of the guitar close to my body with my strumming arm and gently pull on the neck of the guitar. This will actually bend the neck of the guitar slightly so that the tension on the guitar string increases, resulting in a higher pitch of the strings. And guess what? No idea. It was a rhetorical question, dude. But guess what? If I push the neck, the tension decreases, so the pitch goes down. And if we combine these two, we've got the essential elements of a vibrato. You can also just push or just pull, but the combination of the two is definitely the sweetest. And there you have it. But now that we're here, I also have to admit something. I think in some videos the movement was a kind of a Pavlov reaction, like end of the song, let's shake. And I may have sometimes not given my full attention to really creating that nice and lush vibrato. So maybe that explains the sudden increase of the comments. Hi, this is the voiceover. Another thing I'm wondering about. Does it matter what guitars we use? A glued neck like the D42 or the Les Paul versus a bolt-on neck like the Stratocaster or the Telecaster? Let's find out. And also there are various methods you can use creating such a vibrato, each resulting in different outcomes. The go with the flow, or the grab and hold, or the vertical shake. Seems to work fine on all types of guitar and even a little bit better with the bolt-on guitar necks, a little more dramatic. So next time don't sit down and let your sound fade away into the void, but do something about it, give it a little shake. No! He's pushing and pulling. I'm sorry, yes. Good luck with the pushing and the pulling next time. But be careful, I don't want to see any comments about broken necks in the comment section. Have a great day everyone, thank you for watching. We hear the sound decay very naturally. Decay. Hoe moet het zijn?